guys, so today in this video I'm going to share you 3 earrings which you can wear on every outfit. And if you're thinking that have Nirmiti purchased this earring differently, then no guys. If you don't remember, if you haven't watched the purchase which I made from Mr. DIY, then you must watch that YouTube shorts. This is the strap which I got from Mr. DIY and it contains 12 earrings over there. And there are some earrings which are literally suitable for every outfit we are wearing. Now if you see this pearl earring, then just tell me, is it not suitable for every outfit? It is. Just don't think much and wear this kind of earrings. Then this is the first one. Now I will just show you. I'm wearing a casual t-shirt by Roadster and I'm wearing this earrings with my hairs over above my head. And you can see these are matching, and you can see those earrings are matching my face, my look. Even though I've tied my hairs up and I've put this eye makeup look, this white lipsticks and this pearl earrings are literally suitable for my this look as well. Let's move on to the second from this strap, which is going to be the universal earring for every outfit, and it's going to be this silver studs. Guys, can you just imagine wearing silver on this look, whatever I'm wearing right now? Just I will put it on and I will show you guys. Look at this. It's suitable, right? It's universal. It's all about our mindset, and this is also suitable, this is also suitable. Both are suitable. Let's just check out the third one which I'm going to pair with this outfit I'm wearing right now, and that's going to be this. I will show you. Wait. If you are someone who don't like to wear one single earring every day, then this strap is for you. And this is the third. This diamond earring suits every outfit which we wear. Literally, look at this. This is also suitable and this is also suitable. So these were my 3 earrings from this strap. Now why I have took only 3 earrings from this whole strap of 12? So guys, if you are someone who wants to wear 1 or 2 earring on every clothes, then that earring should be like this something. That's it for today's video. Have a nice day. Bye.